fuck are you doing?
That oversee elections. And so this is a more strategic move, and I think to me it signals that we are entering a different phase in the current moment of democratic contestation in the U.S.
Well, that is ominous. That is Amel Ahmed, a political science professor at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Good person.
We might be able to get through. Oh.
What the fuck are you doing?
Like, fine. Oh, I just saw that guy's butt crack. Oh, his pants. Oh, God. It's still there. Oh, God. Oh, my God. He's going to cross. He's coming over here. Oh. I saw too much of that man's crack. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. I think I lost my appetite.
American multinational companies have been earning a growing share of their revenue from abroad. This is Teresa Ford, a professor at Dartmouth College.
And I think the fact that many of these big corporations are upset about the dollar strengthening kind of gives us a signal of just how important those.
Honk, honk, honk.
Like Sunday there's a football game?
No, there was no football.
Fuck.
Organizations should be the ones guiding us on exactly which claims we should take down and those we shouldn't. But, you know, I think it's really easy to get lost in that conversation and make it very, very specific to claims. Then you get bogged down in a...
Watch out.
What the fuck was that? Come on, dude.
It's so strange.
Whoa! Let's go!
Do that. How can the U.S. negotiate with the Taliban, understanding that there are these
Doesn't look like the first time he's fucking hit his
understanding
door.
that contrary to what
Oftentimes in midterms, as you saw in 2018 with Democrats, as you saw in 2010 with Republicans, right? It's a chance for the opposing party to really strike back after losing the presidential election. And I think for a lot of people, that's what folks expected coming into this year. There's also the realities of
standing out to you. Yeah, still very early, but you know, we were talking about Florida and kind of the shift away from Democrats, potentially among Latinos, as we had talked about, because you look at a place like Miami-Dade County, you know,
United States and other democratic countries. Now, when Russia invaded Ukraine in 2014 and occupied Crimea, it was supposed
Within Seattle city limits.
Oh
my God.
my God. Oh my God.
you know ask you to relive.
No. This is part of my job. This is what I signed up for. I didn't know this was part of my job.
That make our university so special.
Oh, shit.
gift
KUOW.org.
for talking about it like a regular person. And so we talked about how to get the most out of your morning coffee without going overboard.
What the fuck?
Hey,
Yeah, just make around though.
This way, we're going in the wrong direction, but less
less quickly than we were before. The housing market has had a massive influence on this, right? Obviously, when you raise interest rates, the biggest thing it hits is mortgage prices. And we've seen mortgage rates start to come down because demand in the housing market has come down a bit. So the Fed raised interest rates by 1/4 percentage point yesterday, and it just sort of signals a brighter touch for the next few months.
Yeah.
Halifax is just basically bones. Because the desert is unforgiving, and climate change is making it worse. De Leon works with volunteers and families.
They've really come together in a cohesive way to tell the story of an overall strong labor market. But again, there's that
Creator of the petition has demanded a do-over with, quote, some competent writer.
Do you get the sense that that response is at all shaping how HBO has gone about making this new show?
Thanks.
To some degree, I think this
Touch with and HTC did HTC Sense, and it just wasn't very good. And you know, on the embedded side, I remember when we launched with the Polestar 2, I think our front end team was like 5 people or something, 6 people. We weren't
Here, what are we doing? I was trying to be nice. I'm fucking killing myself.
Holy shit. Doesn't this thing have a backup camera?
Oh no, keep going. No, come on, man. Dude, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Holy shit. That's gotta have a backup camera. It's like a new car.
It's a Leaf. It's gotta.
This is gross and brown. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Go to Jimmy John. Let's go.
Yeah. What the fuck am I witnessing?
The harms it causes to young people. It comes on the heels of damning newspaper reports that found the company knew about the harms Instagram can cause to teens when it comes to mental health and body image issues, and it pays NPR to license NPR content. The number of people filing for unemployment claims fell to the lowest since the pandemic started.